Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. I know most of you all are struggling with dark circles and pigmentations and you don't know how to cover them, and today I will make it super easy for you. This is my skin without any makeup or skincare. You can see the mild dark circles I have, also my acne scars on my cheeks. Then I used very little products to look like this effortlessly. Now let me show you how to effectively correct your dark spots and pigmentations. Let's do it without any further ado. Before doing anything to the skin, it's very important for us to moisturize, for which I'm using the Dot & Key moisturizer, which claims to give 72 hours hydration. It is moisturizer plus probiotic. It does heal damaged skin and give very good hydration under the eyes, which actually tends to crease after makeup. Also, it's super lightweight and non-sticky. Now it's time to correct the dark spots, for which I'll be using concealers or color correctors. This is the first shade, which looks a little yellow on me. The second shade is 1 or 2 shades darker than my skin tone. The third one is a proper orange corrector. The key tip here is, if you have lighter skin tone, you will go for lighter correctors. If you have deeper skin tone, then you'll go for deeper correctors. So now I will settle with the second shade. Let's do very little spot corrections. Wherever you feel you have pigmentation, there is where you will apply the color correctors. I will be doing this on one side of my face to show you how it looks. Always let your color correctors dry a little bit so that they get a little tacky to give more coverage. I like to blend this with my fingers because there are no product absorptions and product wastage. Make sure you're doing this at only that particular spot and not all over your face. Now I will take a concealer that is of my exact skin tone shade. I will apply it wherever I did my spot correction. Let it get a little tacky and now blend it with the fingers with the same technique that we followed previously. So this way there is no product absorption and wastage, as I told you, and little product is enough to cover the entire area. And you can see just with the corrector and concealer, skin looks so even and neat. Now you can take any translucent powder. I am using Chamasi Milano and apply it all over the face to make the concealer stay in its place and set. To make the look more neat, I am doing my eyebrows. Give it a very natural filling, not too much for this particular look. For the lips, I'll be applying a lip gloss from Just Herbs. It's very natural shade. I will curl the lashes and you can see the lift it gives. Applying mascara, this gives maximum volume and lift to the lashes. You can see it yourself. I like to tightline my lashes for that fullness it gives, and it gives a very beautiful shape for your eyes. To complete the look, I'll be setting my entire base with the NYX fixing spray and let it dry. And this is how beautiful it looks with very little efforts. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please do share it to your friends and family. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Bye until next time.